could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right.
Hey everyone, this is Techno HD and today we are taking a look at the Sony Alpha 58. The Sony A58 exterior is mostly plastic, although the grip is rubberized and thus provides an extra secure hold over the camera. The only issue with the Sony A58 build quality is its plastic rather than metal and its lens mount. Anyone who switches lenses often should think twice, as a plastic mount is bound to wear faster than a metal one. It comes with comfortable hand grip and handling, reliable autofocus performance, good level of detail in images, and noise at higher ISO settings. In use, the Sony A58 is a relatively simple camera to use and benefits from a host of settings to hand should you need them. One slight grievance is raw shooting, as with some previous Alpha models you are limited by some of the shooting models. You can also use when looking to capture RAW. For example, should you want to shoot any of the picture effects mode, the A58 Simple won't let you, instead forcing you to shoot in JPEG only. Overall, the Sony A58 delivers reliable shots, the white balance system delivers consistent results and pleasing skin tones across a wide range of lighting conditions. And should you wish to alter the results in any way, there are a host of presets to hand to help you. The exposure and metering system is also fairly reliable, and the slight tendency to underexpose is easily remedied with the camera's exposure compensation. It has a weight of 17.4 grams with size dimensions of 5.1 into 3.8 into 3.1 with the premium price tag of 38,890 rupees in India. The Sony A58 comes with 20.1 megapixel XMOD APS HD CMOS sensor with the Sony A mount with 1.5x focal length magnification with the ISO range of 100 to 16,000 with a 1080p HD video capturing with 2.7 inches 460K dot tilt angle LCD screen. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more such videos. If you want to buy this camera, then the buy link would be in the description below. This is Techno HD signing off.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want.